Okay, this is from the chapter linear equation in two variable, exercise 4.3, question number 8. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been taken 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. You are asking to find the speed of the train in this situation. So come to the solution. So let us assume the speed of the train be, let the speed of the train be x kmp, that means kilometer per hour, kmh, x kilometer per hour. Then the distance will be, therefore the distance will be, the distance is given here. The train travel 360 km at a uniform speed. Distance is given 360 km and the speed of the train is x kilometer. Therefore its time taken will be distance by speed. There is a formula, time is equal to distance by speed. So distance is 360 km and speed is x kilometer per hour. So this is the time taken, this much hour. This is the time taken, 360 by x hour. This is the time taken. Now you see, according to question, you just look here once again the question. If the speed had been taken 5 km per hour more, 5 more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. So if the speed is 5 more, so what is the speed actually? Speed we assume x. If the speed is 5 km more, that means if the speed is x plus 5, then what will be the time? Time is equal to distance by speed. Then this will be the time. If the speed is 5 km more, suppose if this is the speed, x plus 5, if the speed is 5 km more means the speed will be x plus 5. This is the speed. Then time will be what? Distance by speed. This is the time. On the other hand, the time can be like this also. It would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. What will be the time? If the speed is 5 more, the time will be 1 hour less. Time will be 1 hour less. That means the generally it took 360 by x. The general time is this one. It takes this much hours. But if the speed is 5 more, then it will take less time. How much less? 1 hour less. It would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. It will take 1 hour less. So what is this? It is the time. If the speed is 5 km more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. You have to understand this part. If the speed is 5 more, then time will be taken this much. On the other hand, by formula, if the speed is 5 more, time will be taken this much. Same thing. In the same situation, so these two will be equal. Same means equal. So this is what? This is the time when the speed is 5 more. And this is what? This is also time when the speed is 5 more. So these two is same. It balance a equation. So it forms an equation. Now make this equation a simple one. It implies, so it implies like this. This is remaining same. 360 by x plus 5 is remaining same. Now x is taking as LCM. 360 by x, here it will come 360, minus will come here, 1 into x, x, it will come here. Again it implies remaining same. 360 by x plus 5 is remaining same, equal to, okay, sorry, it will be better to cross multiply. 360 into x, 360 into x, 360x, and x plus 5 into 360 minus x, x plus 5 into 360 minus x. These two will multiply. Again 360 is x is remaining same. X plus 5 into 360, it will become 360x, 5 into 360 plus 5 into 360, it will be 1800. Again x into x, it will be x square, negative positive, it will be negative. X into 5, 5x. Negative positive, it will be negative, it will be minus 5x. So to make it more simple, now you look here, this is 360x to the left side, 360x to the right side. If you bring this 360x to the left side, it will be minus 360x plus 360x, it will give 0, so it will remove. We can remove this one. Now what is remain here? Here it will remain 0. Here it is gone. It will remain 1800 minus x square minus 5x. So to make it more standard, what can I do here? Let us bring this x square. It will be plus x square, plus we need to write. Bring this 5x. It will be plus 5x. And bring this 1800 inside, it will be minus 1800, equal to 0. Everything we brought inside, outside remain nothing. In the right side remain nothing, that is 0. So to use prime factorization method, it is completely a quadratic equation. Now we can solve it, means we can find the x value using by any method. So I will use prime factorization, splitting the middle factor. I need to factorize this 1800. So 2 can divide here. So I have prime factorized. I did the prime factorization of 1800. With the help of this factor, I need to form this 5. With the help of this factor, by adding or subtracting, I need to form this 5. So look here, 3 3 is 9, 9 5 is 45. It gives 45. And 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, and 8 5 is 40. 8 5 is 40. And you just look here, 40 and 45, we can form 5. So what shall I do? With the help of this, using this factor, I can write here x square plus, instead of 5, I can write here 45 minus 40. It gives 5. It gives 5. Other things exactly remaining same. And one thing you remember, 45 into 40, it gives 1800. Okay. Now x square plus, just multiply it, 45 into x, 45x, 40 into x, it will be 40x, negative positive, it will be negative, other things remaining same, minus 1800, equal to 0, is remaining same. Now let us take common from these two term, x is common. What is remaining inside the bracket? X plus 45. Here also minus 40 into 45, it is 1800. So 40 is here, 40 is here, 40 is taken common. Here it is remain x, it must be plus 45 equal to 0. Let us check once. 40 into x, 40x, negative, positive, negative. Yes. 40 into 45, 1800, negative, positive, negative. Yes, it is matching, no problem. Now again from these two parts, you just look what is common. X plus 45 is common. And whatever remain, let us write inside a bracket. X is remain. From here it took common, minus 40 is remain inside the bracket. Equal to 0 is remaining same. Now what it gives? It gives x plus 45 equal to 0, or it gives two situations, x minus 40 equal to 0. Okay, and it implies, from this part it implies x is equal to minus 45, and this part x minus 40 is equal to 0, it implies x equal to 40. One thing you remember, we got the x value, we got the solution. One thing you remember, what is x for? X for speed of the train. X for speed of the train. So speed cannot be negative. Speed cannot be negative. So minus 45 as a speed. It is not exist. It is not exist or not valid. It is not valid. So, but x equal to 40. Speed can be 40. X for speed is 40. It is possible. So it is the value of x. It is asking you to find the speed. Therefore, now you can give conclusion. Therefore, what is asking to find? The speed of the train. Therefore, the required speed of the train. Speed of the train is x, that is 40. We assume x, but we got the x value 40 kilometer per hour. This is the solution. It is asking you to find a speed. We got the speed. Thank you.